Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today is Monday, that is 29th June, and after 2 days, I think so, only one day. June is of 30 days, correct? After one day, we are going to complete our 1 month of online videos, okay? And whatever pending work is there, if you have not completed some writing work, if you have not seen some videos, please see all videos and finish up your all work of June month, okay? And now I want to tell you one thing. When we were studying about the story of Sindbad, when I told you how did Sindbad go on the voyage, voyage means what? He went on the journey, and that journey was on the sea. In that lesson, we took first 3 questions. How many questions were over our? First 3 questions were over, and there is a fourth question which was left. That fourth question we will complete in today's period. Okay? Have you understood? There are total 5 questions. Fifth question is not that important. It is important. Try to find more information about merchant ships, ports, and how the cargo is loaded and unloaded from the ships today. That question we will take in next period. First of all, I want to complete this fourth question. From the lesson, find and list all the words that begins with. Now what we have to do? This is the question. From the lesson, what we have to do? Question number 4. From the lesson, find and list all the words that begins with the letter S and the letter I. Now what we have to do? We have to find out some words which begins with which letters? Which begins with I letter and S letter. Come on, let us start. Say, I am writing S letters. Okay, I will write down words. S-A-I-L, sail. S-E-A-C. S-S-S. Set. S-E-T, set. More. Ship. S-H-I-P, ship. From S letter, strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength. Strength word is also there in the lesson. Seashore. S-E-A-S-H-O-R-E. What is that word? Seashore. Next one. There are many S letter words. How many words we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have taken only 6 words, and there it is told that from the lesson find and list all the words. They have told you to write down all words. But do one thing, write only 10 words. Okay? All words means your one page will get filled with only S letter words. Do one thing, write down only 10 words. Let us write down 10 words. Sail, ship, sea, strength, set, and seashore. More S letter words. S letter words. Same. S-A-M-E, same. More. Saying. S-A-Y-I-N-G, saying. Scream. Scream what is over? No. S-C-R-E-A-M, scream. 10 are more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one word. One S word. Seashore is over. Sea monster. Sea monster is left. I will write down sea monster. S-E-A-M-O-N-S-T-E-R, sea monster. Okay, we have written how many words? We have written 10 words. How many words are written? 10 words. Now we have to find out letters with I words from I letter. Now first word which is there, it is island. Correct or not? Where did Sindbad go? Sindbad went on an island. Island. Now it will become very difficult to find out I letter words. There is only one word which starts with I. Is there? Is. Yes, is there. R-S, is. Now this is two letter words, but it is a word. Correct or not? It is having only two letters, but it is word or not? Yes, it is word. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. Come on, more I letter words. There are very less I letter words in the list. You have to find out. Don't just sit. When I am taking something, that time, if I am finding out something or I am finding out something, you have to also take your textbook in your hand and you have to help me in finding. If you will find it at home, then it will become easier for you. Impressed. There is one word, impressed. I-M-P-R-E-S-S-E-D. Impressed. I letter word. Impressed. What is just now? Impressed means what? If you do something different, if you will do some work different, what will happen? What will happen if you do some work very extraordinarily? What will happen? People will be impressed by you. They will say, wow, what a good person he is, or what a good boy he is, or what a good girl she is. They will be impressed by seeing you. Okay. There is one word of I. It is atoms. I-T-E-M-S. Atoms. In this way, we have finished all I letter words. Okay. Inland. One word is there. Inland. What is meaning of inland? What does this word mean? Inland. When I was explaining you lesson that time, I told you inland. Inland means towards the area of land, towards the land. Correct? When the sea was going, when there were waves in the sea, what happened? Their ship drowned, and then all people, not ship drowned. These people, they went on a sea monster, and what that sea monster did, it took jump in the water. It dived in the water, and what happened? So all people who were there, all merchants who were there on the island, they all drowned in the water. And then somehow Sindbad came to the inland, came to the seashore, and he saw that there was an area of land. There was a real island that is called inland. In this way, it was told that from the lesson, find and list all the words that begins with the letter S and the letter I. With I letter only, these many words are there. With S letter, many words are there. I have not written some words, okay? We have written only 10 words which starts with S letter. Have you understood this question? And now further it is told that, look here, further it is told that, see this question further. Now we have found out this, what we call words, yes. Now here it is told that try to frame as many meaningful sentences as possible using only the words listed under A. Now try to frame a meaningful sentences using only the words listed under B. Is it possible to frame a sentence? Yes, it is possible to frame sentence. Naturally, it will be possible to frame sentence. Now we will take all letters of S. We will take all words of S letter. Now say, what sentence you can make? Come on, frame sentence. Try to frame sentences. I like to sail a boat. Meaning of this sentence is what? मला होडी boat means yes, होडी only. I like to sit in boat and I like to go in the water. Correct? Sailing means what? Rowing the boat, and I like to sail in the water. I like to travel in the water, or I like to go and sit in the boat and see scenery by sailing in the water. Next word is ship. Ship word. Come on. S-H-I-P, ship. is a huge ship, huge ship on the seashore. On the seashore. Ship. We have written ship word in the sentence. Yes, we have written. Next one is sea. Come on, sea. S-E-A, sea. The Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea is to the east-west. Is to the west of India. Is to the west of India. Which word has come in sentence C? So here it is told that you have to write down sentences with the help of words. You have to write these words in sentences. Okay. There are some more examples. That more examples or remaining some words are left. That words we will take in next period. I think you have understood what we have done. We have taken these words, and from these words we have made what? We have made sentences. Ship. There is a huge ship on the seashore. Sea. The Arabian Sea is to the west of India, our country India. One side it is what? Downside it is Indian Ocean. One side is Bay of Bengal, and the other side is Arabian Sea of our country. You can see in your EVS book. If you don't have EVS book, see map of India. In that you will easily able to see where is Arabian Sea. It is name of a sea, Arabian. In this way we have completed some part of our question answers. Fourth question. The remaining part of fourth question we will do in next period, and even fifth question also we will do in next period. And just study, okay, just I want you to do study, because after completing these all question answers we are going to take short test. One day we will take test on first two lessons, then second day we will take test on third and fourth lesson, and one day we will take test on grammar part. I understand we have completed 3 lessons of grammar. So in this way slowly we are going to revise our all lessons. We will stop teaching and we are going to revise again those lessons. Understood? Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.